Head to the Inbox Insights page and click Analyze My Campaign. Under Report Name, enter a name for your report, and you can also add a description if you want. Scroll down and choose what you like to test. Email Insights will give you a general analysis of the campaign. And since it's the default test, you cannot uncheck this option. An Email Insights report by itself is 200 credits, and you can choose to add on the Inbox Placement test too, which will show you which folder the email lands in for different email providers, including Gmail and Yahoo. This one is optional, and it also requires an additional 200 credits. But remember, you can always purchase more credits by clicking on the Buy Credits button just up here. When you're ready, click Next. On the next page, there will be a list of email addresses where the campaign should be sent to. If you select Email Insights by itself, you will only see one email address here. But if you chose both Email Insights and Inbox Placement, you'll see several email addresses. This is called the seed list. You can copy the seed list or download it as a CSV file, whichever makes it easier for you to manage and send emails to those addresses. Once the email has been received, the test will start running. The report will appear on the Inbox Insights dashboard, and you will receive a copy of it in your email too. Let's go ahead and break down the report. The Score tab shows an overview of the test results. This graph on the left and the data related to it on the right. The email score is rated 0 to 100. The higher the number, the better that campaign's deliverability. Then we have the HTML version, which shows a preview of your campaign. The text version shows the text version of the campaign, and the Source tab will display the HTML code. On the right, you'll see the details of your campaign, including the campaign title, insight created date, sender address, bounce address, and reply to address. The campaign details breaks down the data that was tested, which includes a spam filter check, so you can see if the campaign has been flagged as spam. The HTML validation tracks any HTML errors. Content check displays the number of spam-like phrases found in your campaign. Links and images validation indicates any links or images that are broken or in need of review. Sender authentication, which highlights any issues with your SPF and DKIM authentication. And IP block list, which checks your server IP address against the most common block lists. For a more in-depth analysis, simply click on any feature in this section or scroll down to see the full report.